Okay, the final thing we're going to talk about today, systems of linear equations. Now, if you were good at graphing the linear equations earlier, this will be easy for you, okay? Because we were just graphing two lines on the same graph. Except for this time, the answer of the question, the goal, is going to be where the two lines intersect at. All right? So, for this first one, this blue one, I'm going to start with the y-intercept like normal, plus 1, put a dot. Then slope, down 2 over 1. All right? Then the red line. Start with the -4, put a dot. Up 1 over 2. Now remember, the goal in these equations is to make them meet up somewhere. And then that point where they meet is going to be the answer. Now these haven't met up yet. So what we have to do is go back to the first line and make it continue to go down until they do meet. Now I'm going to tell you what's not good, what you're not allowed to do. You can't just draw it and make it go straight and hope that it hits. All right? You have to continue to use the same slope. So if this went 2, 1, I've got to go 2, 1 again. And then now we can see that they meet right here. And this dot is at 2, -3. Notice, this is a point. This is in parentheses. This is a coordinate point. It is not a fraction. You remember earlier, somebody said, "Oh, does it have to be? Is it wrong if it's not in a fraction or something like that?" Right? Earlier we were finding slope. Slope is a fraction. This is a point. This is a location on the graph. They're different. Okay? And if you don't put this, then you miss the question because that's the answer. Good?